Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Hope you are doing well. Now, today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Capital One account online on your PC. If you guys are new here, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications from our channel. Let's start writing now. To log into your Capital One account online on your computer, first, open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, now, on the search bar, click over there and type in the address capital-one.com and hit enter. It will take you to the official website of Capital One. Now, you can log into your account from over here directly, which is the username and password. We'll be clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Let's go. And you can see, guys, this is the more detailed view of the login phase of the Capital One account. Now, to log into your Capital One account from over here, it will be required to enter your username like this, and similarly, enter your password like this, which you have registered with Capital One at the time of creating your account. Click on Remember Me for further use, but I suggest you guys don't click on that square box if you are using a public computer. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on Forgot Username and Password. That's it for today. If you guys found this video informative, just comment down below. It will give us motivation to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching.